Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get this started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after that we have to search for the Vidnoz. So I'm going to write the Vidnoz website here. So as you can see, Vidnoz AI. So now let's click on this first link. I'm going to click on this. As you can see, now the website is open. Now simply we have to click on this. I'm going to open this in a new link. So we have to click on it. As you can see, you will get the options like the login. So if you want to create, if you have already created your account, you have to click on the login. I'm going to accept these all. And now we have to click on the create AI videos. So if you have already account, you have to click on this. I'm going to click on this continue with Google option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on it, we have to choose the email address, at which email address we want to use. I'm going to use this one here. So we have to click on it again. Now let's click on the continue option. And after clicking on the continue, as you can see, we have to wait a few seconds, and after that our account will be ready to use. So as you can see now, simply you have to follow the same steps. You have to continue with Google, and then you have to choose your Google account, that which Google account you want to add, and after that your account will be ready to use. Now simply we have to answer a few questions. For example, I'm going to do this how to tutorials. As you can see now, these all templates are provided here. The education templates are here, explainer, festival, every option is provided here. I'm going to skip these all and let's click on this, and as you can see, no thanks here. And as you can see, these all templates are provided here. I'm going to click on the education section. You will be able to see the education related content here. If you want the explainer videos, you will be able to see the explainer videos here. As you can see, every character is provided here. So in this way you can create your account on the Vidnoz AI website, and then you can use these AI facilities here. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.